The error VAN81 in League of Legends is associated with issues related to the Vanguard Anti-Cheat system, which is used by Riot Games for their game Valorant, but can also affect other Riot Games titles like League of Legends. This error typically indicates that the Vanguard Anti-Cheat software is either not installed, not running properly, or has encountered a problem that prevents it from working as expected. Here are some solutions for this error.
First, press Alt-Control-Delete. Click on Task Manager. End all the Riot Games processes like Valorant and League of Legends. Now close the Task Manager. Open Start and type Run. Open Run. Type services.msc. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Start the service. Close the Task Manager.